actually quite sick. Right, is that, what is that?
She's good.
Look at that. Look how he's gone. There.
That's our den, kid.
No.
He's hiding in our den.
That's what you need to do, make him a little den to hide in.
What have we got left? Have we got any eye rockets left? Let's go!
Good job,
Sorry guys, I didn't get to, record the rest because I forgot about my phone, but I can record the other half. We've only done one half, and the two big ones we've already used, but we've still got many more awesome fireworks, so let's go. No. I just like videoing. Just like to be a YouTuber.
That's what happens in the train ground.
That Catherine wheels was sick though. It was massive, that thing. It was loud. You could hear it spinning. What have we got left? Oh, it's got
all these shoes.
Oh, our rockets! Yay!
Your rockets at the same time?
No, not at the same time.
We're just setting them up. And what do you want me to do?
Put them all in tube, send it alive.
Okay. Putting some rockets inside the tube. It's my job. No. Don't ask me. That was sick. David wants me to set up the rockets.
Oh, she was telling you.
Oh, you okay? You okay?
Can't though if I leave him, that's it. He'll just
Are the fireworks awesome? Yeah.
Really cool.
I can't touch this leaving him now. He'll wreck it.
What? I am waiting. She just said to me, she said, wait, before you go.
Yeah, just wait.
I just need to go check the rockets, Heather, 2 minutes. Heather, go over there. Go back, Keelan.
I'm picking fireworks.
Don't care. Well, be careful then. These are our rockets here. You might not be able to see them. I can hardly see them, but it's dark.
You got a bowl? You need a drink of water?
Should we go to the shop and buy some duck?
No,
Shut. It's shut, dummy.
It'll just be.
Watch
out.
How much more we've got left? Oh, not many.
Two mines.
Put me out.
Another half an hour or something.
Yeah, another hour. He's in our secret clubhouse.
Don't matter. Chilling?
It's a dog.
Oh, right. What, Heather? What, Heather? Yeah, I'm checking the freaking... I'm setting the rockets up. rockets up. There we are.
You set one up?
No, not setting any off. We've got 4 left because there was 5 in a pack. We already set one off at the start.
Oh, it's
You doing that?
Mine's a video, mine does 10 minutes.
Doing that? Don't you go to it?
I'll shoot these 2 rockets at you, Kaelin.
Rocket versus rocket.
I got 2 rockets and I'm not afraid. 2 rockets and I'm not afraid to use them.
Kids following you.
Rocket launcher. Kaelin, it's a rocket launcher.
Follow me, don't you?
Dad. David, the rockets have been set.
Alright, Megan.
You want to go seek rockets, Kaelin? Right, come over here. Make sure. Don't touch them.
Where do you go?
No, these 2 are here because we
Put one in here. That's done.
we're not putting any in there now. Just take that out. It's dangerous with that. We got another rocket tube. We got a rocket tube. Mum, we've got a rocket tube so we can put 3 in.
Got a what?
A rocket tube so we can put 3 in. Well, get those 2 rockets. I'll go get the tube.
Come on, midnight. Fuck you now.
2 minutes, guys. We're just going to go get some tube. We might pause soon in a minute. Probably like 3 minutes until I pause. Right. Where's that rocket tube? That rocket tube. There it is. We're setting 3 rockets off. Not at the same time, but still setting 3 off. We've still got some big ones and big mines and dynamites. Those are the illegal ones. We've only got. The rest of them are illegal, apart from 1. Apart from 2. The one I can't do. David!
I don't have a coffee.
I hate coffee and tea.
I don't have a coffee. You don't want a coffee. I'm dead.
A minute. I'll place another rocket tube. Give us one.
Fireworks in there.
Caleb.
Caleb. Why did you put a lot of fireworks in fire? Not last time. Not on fireworks in fire. I'll ask you to do that. I'll ask you to do that. So what are you doing? Leave them where they are. Put them down. Put them down. Hello? Oh my God,
I have a feeling about that one white tube. I have a feeling that's going to go wrong. I have a feeling the white tube, I have a feeling it's not going to go off. That's what I think. Part 2 is in the next video.